How to enroll in the US Bank online banking in the website. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a simple step-by-step guide you can follow up to do so using the website. So let's get started. So for that, we can just go over and open up a browser. After that, we can enroll into the US banking online banking website, US Bank. So go ahead and search for US Bank online banking. And this is the following site that we can click on to open it up on our screen. Now what we can do is we can basically directly look out for this option called enroll in the online banking here on the main home screen. Otherwise, in the top right corner, we can find a login option. We can start up the process from there as well. But usually click on this option called enroll in online banking, and that should lead us to the next phase. Now here we can start by step-by-step enrollment. For that, we can start by entering up our details. So open it up and you need to provide in your card or your account number. So go ahead and provide it up here in the first section, and then the last 4 digits of your SSN, which is social security number. So go ahead and provide it up and click on continue option. And you need to verify your identity. You can choose up a username, set up a strong password, and finish up the setup. You can accept the terms and conditions of US Bank, and then finally finish up the setup, and you can now log in anytime with your username and your password. So you can use a username and then your password, and you can log in with it, and that's it. And before starting, you need to have your account number and your PIN. And if you can't verify it, make sure that your phone or email is linked to your account. Otherwise, you can call the US Bank to reset it. And that's it. For now, you can just head over and follow this method if you want to enroll into US Bank. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.